Reliable Hubs is a dynamic organization with decades of experiences in the retailing industry. We started our journey in 2015 by renting 20,000 square feet of land in Ambernath, purchased 4 acres of land in 2016, and with the sheer determination, we kept on expanding our factory in 2 phases in 2018 and 2021. Today, we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit spread over 10 acres. In this rapid growth of modern retail, our vision is to enhance the experience of the customers with the best retail equipment compliant to international quality and standard. A workforce of more than 300 is always harmoniously committed to deliver excellent, responsive, and reliable services to our customers. We are on a mission to achieve leadership in providing the essential backbone to the entire retail industry. We have an in-house design department along with well-qualified consultants to provide advice and ideas on the latest designs available in the market. Our project specialists work on all the technical specifications based on clients' requirements, giving them our one-stop solution. Our competent production department's expertise on the products and the industry makes them efficient to meet any supply and demand of the clients.
For Reliable Hubs, customer is God and customer satisfaction is worship. At Reliable Hubs, we continuously strive to maximize the value we bring to our esteemed customers, suppliers, stakeholders and employees for the strength and support they have provided in our progressive journey and achieving our goals.
We are proud of successfully executing countless projects of our clients across India by providing the best quality, service and value to their requirements. We are Reliable Hubs, a complete solution provider trusted by the retail industry across India.